Beyond its physical beauty, South Africa's cultural richness shines through its people, languages, and traditions. And at the heart of this cultural tapestry lies the captivating rhythm of Zulu dance. The Zulu tribe, one of the largest ethnic groups in South Africa, expresses its cultural identity through dance. Here are some key aspects. In Lamu, this energetic dance involves rhythmic stamping of the feet, synchronized arm movements, and vibrant costumes. It celebrates strength, bravery, and unity. When Zulu warriors perform in Lamu, their powerful footwork resonates with the heartbeat of the land. Ukuzina, a lively dance performed during social occasions. Ukuzina features high kicks, leg movements, and rhythmic foot pounding. Dancers kick their legs up and out, creating an exhilarating display of agility and grace. Traditional maiden dance. Young Zulu women showcase their heritage through this dance. With hip and leg movements following a particular rhythm, they express femininity, pride, and community bonds. The colorful attire and spirited steps evoke a sense of celebration. Modern expressions. Zulu dance has evolved, blending tradition with contemporary influences. In urban settings, you'll find fusion performances that incorporate hip-hop, jazz, and other genres. These adaptations keep the rhythm alive while embracing modernity. South Africa's beauty extends beyond its landscapes. It resides in the heart of its people, their dances, and the rhythmic beats that echo through time. Zulu dance embodies resilience, joy, and cultural continuity, inviting us to celebrate the essence of this remarkable nation.
Can I lie?